to show you guys my 1978 Toyota Hilux pickup. It's called the Chinook. It's a camper version. It later became the Toyota pickup truck and what's known today as the Tacoma. This vehicle was recently painted and refurbished. This has a 20R engine, which is a 2.2 liter with the reliable Toyota pickup. You get all the benefits of a Volkswagen bus without breaking down. This is a pop-top camper. As you can see, it's made with a kitchen, has running water, sliding glass windows, curtains, LED lights on the interior, a small kitchenette with a 2-burner stove, and an ice box which originally came in the Chinook. All the cabinets and drawers have been rebuilt, as well as the bench seats. The pop top is in great shape and has screened windows in the front and back. Here's the chassis of the vehicle with a Bluetooth wireless CD player, a new carpet kit, and a manual transmission. The Kenwood stereo has 4 6x9 speakers throughout the vehicle. Plenty of room for storage underneath the bench seat cushions. Here I am putting the table up. Nice little dinette. You can see the new floors. Here's a rear storage cabinet as well as a removable speaker. I built this small day bed for relaxing. These 2 platforms pull out from underneath the bench cushions and makes for a nice double bed. As you can see, the Chinook is awesome. It's a great camper, and I can't say enough about it. This mini motorhome will get you where you need to go with a smile on your face.